Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to divide both sides by y. Next, we need to divide both sides by y to the power of 3. So, we have 1 over y to the power of 3 and we have 1 over y to the power of 4 dy over dx. This one that is about Bernoulli's equations. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y to the power of 3. That means we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have negative number 3 y to the power of 4 dy over dx. So because we have only number 6 that is about number 3 with number 2, so I will put negative sign go to the left. So this one we change for v. This one number 3 over y to the power of 4 dy over dx we change for negative dv over dx, and we have like this. So I will put this one go to the left, number 2 go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by 2x squared. So we have v, and first the derivative of v. This is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive 1 over 2s next to v. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one going here. So the integration of 1 over s, we have f and s. Later that 1 over 2 go inside about natural law in here. We simplify it, and we have s to the power of 1 over 2. And this one that is about the square root of the square root of s. So we multiply both sides by this one. Now we simplify this one. So this one we have negative number 3 over 4. So we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have v with the square root of x. This one, we have x to the power of negative number 3 over 4 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 4 plus 1. And I will put about c. So for this one, sorry, this is about negative number 3 over 2. I just made a mistake. So this one we have negative 1 over 2. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.